The packaging is clean, compact, and clearly designed with tamper visibility in mind. Seals are present and easy to inspect, reinforcing the idea that the security model begins before the device is even powered on. Inside, the presentation is methodical. The OneKey Classic 1S sits alongside a USB-C cable, multiple recovery sheets, and a set of printed materials that are unusually focused on user education. This tone is consistent with the broader philosophy of the product. Security is not just implemented in hardware, but guided through user behavior from the very first interaction. Physically, the OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet leans into functional minimalism. The chassis, constructed from a high-strength PC plus ABS composite, strikes a balance between lightness and rigidity. The front face is dominated by a compact monochrome OLED display paired with 4 physical buttons that handle all navigation. This choice immediately signals a design philosophy centered on predictability. Unlike touch interfaces, which can introduce ambiguity, the tactile buttons provide clear, deterministic input. Over time, this becomes a significant usability advantage, particularly when confirming sensitive operations. In practice, this reinforces a workflow where every action is intentional and clearly verified. At the core of the OneKey Classic 1S lies an EAL6 Plus certified secure element, designed to protect private keys against both physical and logical attack vectors. This includes resistance to side channel analysis and tampering attempts, which places it firmly within the upper tier of consumer-grade hardware security. Beyond the hardware, the device integrates a series of protective mechanisms that operate continuously. Repeated incorrect PIN entries trigger automatic data erasure, while secure boot processes ensure that only verified firmware can execute. Communication between the device and external systems remains encrypted, maintaining isolation even during active use. The OneKey Classic 1S does not attempt to differentiate itself through excess. Instead, it succeeds through coherence. Every aspect of the device, from packaging to firmware architecture, aligns with a singular objective: to reduce risk without introducing unnecessary complexity. Its offline-first onboarding, hardware-backed security, transparent software model, and disciplined user experience collectively form a product that feels mature rather than experimental. There are no superfluous elements, no distracting features, only a focused implementation of what a hardware wallet should be.